Dear students, see here page number 8. But we are seeing question number 4. That is the observations from experiments on photoelectricity. See here number 5 observation. Keeping the accelerating voltage and incident frequency fixed, if intensity of incident radiation was increased, the value of saturation current also increased proportionately. For example, if intensity was doubled, the saturation current was also doubled. 6th number observation. Maximum kinetic energy, that is K max, and hence maximum velocity of the electrons depends on potential V for a given metal used for the emitter plate and for a given frequency of incident radiation. If the material is changed or frequency of incident radiation is changed, then K max is also changed. It does not depend on intensity of incident radiation. Thus, for a very small incident intensity, if frequency of incident radiation is larger than threshold frequency μ0, then maximum Ke from a given surface is same for a given incident frequency. Observation number 7. If increasingly negative potentials are applied to collector, then photocurrent decreases, and for some typical value minus V0, photocurrent becomes 0. Minus V0 is called as cutoff frequency or stopping potential. When the potential is retarding, then photoelectrons have energy to overcome the retarding or opposing electric field and reach the collector. See here page number 9. Value of V0 is same for any current intensity when incident frequency is same in figure 2, but V0 is different for different emitter materials. Observation number 8. If frequency of incident radiation is changed, keeping the intensity and accelerating potential V constant, then saturation current I0 is remained same, but the stopping potential V0 is changed. This is shown in figure 3. See here figure 3. That is here retarding potentials and accelerating potential. Here saturation current I0. V3 is greater than V2 is greater than V1. Here minus V03 minus V02 minus V01. Figure 3. Photocurrent as a function of accelerating potential for fixed incident intensity but different incident frequencies for the same emitter material. See here, stopping potential V0 is varied linearly with V as shown in figure 4. For different metals, the slopes of such straight lines are the same, but the intercepts on the frequency and stopping potential axes are different. See here, this is figure 4. Stopping potential as a function of frequency of incident radiation for emitters made of different metals. Observation number 9. The photocurrent and hence the number of electrons depend on intensity but not on frequency of incident radiation, as long as incident frequency is larger than threshold frequency μ0, that is nu is greater than μ0, and the potential of anode is higher than potential of cathode. Here total 9 observations are observed